Ribosomes are complexes made of ribosomal RNA and protein. They carry out protein synthesis, and because they are not membrane-bounded, they are not considered organelles. Every cell needs ribosomes to manufacture proteins. They are composed of rRNA and polypeptide chains, and are formed of two subunits. However, the two different types of cells differ in sizes slightly. Eukaryotes are size 60S and 40S, but prokaryotes are slightly smaller at 50S and 30S. Even though there is a size difference, the function is the same in both cells. Ribosomes are the cellular components that make proteins from amino acids. The existence of ribosomes is temporary. After the synthesis of polypeptides, the two subunits separate and is either reused or broken up. Amino acids are joined by ribosomes at a rate of 200 per minute. Ribosomes float in the endoplasm or are attached in the endoplasmic reticulum. Forming the rough endoplasmic reticulum, when they are attached to messenger RNA strands, they form polysomes. When ribosomes are faulty, it could potentially lead to an illness. They are finding more and more diseases associated with ribosomes. In Alzheimer's patients, it was found that the impairment of ribosomes function. The impairment in ribosome function is associated with a decreased rate and capacity for protein synthesis, a decreased ribosomal and RNA and tRNA levels, and an increase in RNA oxidation. The impairment of protein synthesis may be one of the early neurochemical alterations in Alzheimer's disease, and demonstrate that the polyribosome complex is adversely affected early in the disease's development. Diamond-Black band anemia is a disorder of the bone marrow. The bone marrow malfunctions and fails to make enough red blood cells. It can be caused by mutations in the RPL5, RPL11, RPL35A, RPS7, RPS10, RPS17, RPS19, RPS24, and RPS26 genes, whose responsibilities are to provide instructions for making ribosomal proteins. It was found that the shortage in the functioning ribosomal proteins can result in the increase of self-destruction of blood-forming cells in the bone marrow, resulting in anemia.